Okay, so our today's topic is Bernoulli's equation. So first of all, what is Bernoulli's equation? So the Bernoulli's equation is basically the approximation, that means approximate relation between pressure, velocity and elevation, which is generally represented by small z also, and it is valid in a region of steady incompressible flow. Okay, where the net friction force is 0. That means force due to friction is equals to 0. Okay, this is nothing but the net friction force is equal. Again I am repeating, what is Bernoulli's equation? Bernoulli's equation is an approximate relation between pressure, velocity and elevation, and it is valid in a region of steady incompressible flow where the net friction force is equal to 0. Okay, now in other words we can say that the Bernoulli's equation is a approximate equation that is valid where only in the inviscid region, valid only in inviscid region of flow, where that means the net viscous force are negligibly small as compared to the inertial, then gravitational or pressure force. Okay, such region occur outside the boundary layer and wax. Suppose this is nothing but an aerofoil. Okay, and these are the streamline flows of a fluid. Now Bernoulli's equation is not valid in this region. These are the region where the viscosity is high. Okay, high viscosity, and these are the regions, basically this is the boundary layer, and here the Bernoulli's equation is valid. Why? Because the net friction force in these region are negligible. Okay, so Bernoulli's equation is valid in this region. Bernoulli's equation or Bernoulli's theorem are basically, I am using these two terms very frequently and assume it as an analogous. Now another thing, the key approximation in derivation of Bernoulli's equation is, first, viscous effect are negligibly small as compared to the inertial, gravitational and pressure force. Okay, these are the key approximations. Again I am repeating, during the derivation of Bernoulli's equation, viscous effect are negligibly small, okay, as compared to inertial force, gravitational and pressure force. Okay, now the third point is, Bernoulli's equation cannot apply everywhere in a flow, no matter how small the fluid viscosity is. inside that fluid. That means it is not applied everywhere in a flow. Okay. The next point which you have to keep in a mind is that frictional effects are always important, very close to solid walls and directly downstream of the body, which is, that means near the wake. These regions are also known as wake region. That means here the viscosity is very high. So again I am repeating that the frictional effects are always important, very close to the solid wall. This is, suppose this is the aerofoil, so frictional effects are very high near this one, that means near the boundary layer, very high, and it is gradually decreases in the this side, that means top side, and whenever we are going far from this boundary, this effect is, that means the viscous effect is generally reduced. Okay, so frictional effects are always important, very close to the solid wall and directly downstream to the body, and here, that means in this region, it is very important. That is the reason why in these two regions where the high viscosity is there, Bernoulli's equation is not valid. Okay, now the next point is Bernoulli's equation is useful in flow region outside of the boundary layer. As I explained earlier, very near, these are the boundary layers and these are the outside of the boundary layers. So Bernoulli's equation is useful in flow region outside of boundary layer and wake, where the fluid motion is governed generally by the combined effect of which one? These two forces. Okay, that means outside of this boundary layer, flow is generally governed by the gravitational force and the pressure force. So whenever the flow is governed by the gravitational and due to pressure, then in this region Bernoulli's equation is valid. Keep in mind, this is very important point. Okay, so these 4 points are very, very important considering the Bernoulli's equation. Now coming to other side of this Bernoulli's equation, now I am going to explain you the two different types of acceleration which is generally encountered inside this Bernoulli's equation. So before moving further inside a Bernoulli's equation, I want to explain some basic terms regarding the acceleration in two-dimensional region. So in 2D region, we have generally two components of anything. That means suppose we have a velocity, so we must have two components of velocity. That means one is along x-axis and one is along y-axis. This component along x-axis is generally represented as by a small u, and this is represented by a small v. Similarly, the acceleration along this axis is represented by ax, and here it is represented by ay. But here we have two component of acceleration whose name is, I am putting as as, which is represented by del v by del t. This acceleration is due to the change in speed, due to change in speed, and this is nothing but its name is what? Streamwise acceleration. Streamwise acceleration. Okay, and another component which is represented by an, which is due to the velocity, that means the component of its velocity along that direction, that is, it is due to the change in the direction, due to change in direction, and its name is nothing but normal acceleration. Okay, so we have two acceleration components. One is known as streamwise acceleration and another one is known as normal acceleration. Okay, so now for a particle moving in a straight line, suppose a particle which is moving in a straight line, we have an, that means the normal component of that acceleration is equals to 0. Why? Because as I explained here, this acceleration is due to the change in direction, but as a particle start moving in a straight line, so there is a no change in direction. So as there is a no change in direction, then the component of normal acceleration is equals to 0. So keep this point in a mind, then this is due to the change in direction, and this component, that in as, is only due to the change in the speed. Okay.